So a dental crown will typically last, we guarantee them for 5 years, but I've had crowns in for, I think I've still got a crown in that I had 20 years ago. But normally if they're done good, they'll last 5 to 10 years, I would say. But I think most crowns are guaranteed for 5, is what I get from most dentists and stuff. If they're less than that, then usually we try to help out the patient. The insurance guarantees or changes a crown out every 7 years. It used to be 5 years, but 7 years now, and that's usually a good marker to go by on that. Longevity of a crown really depends on hygiene, on how you take care of your teeth and what you do as far as whether it's flossing, brushing, taking care of it, and of course what you eat.